Hey guys, it's Abby and in today's video is the long-awaited Kawaii room tour video. If you guys saw last week's video, you guys know that I did a room makeover video, although this video was a little bit different from my typical room makeover videos because this was more of like a step-by-step guide on how you guys can make your room look kawaii, some of the steps that I typically take when I'm trying to make my room kawaii or trying to do a room makeover in general. So if you guys haven't checked out that video, please go ahead and click on that video first and then watch this one so that this video makes a little bit more sense. I'll be leaving a link to the video in the description box below so you guys can go ahead and click on that, or somewhere up here I'll be leaving a link to the video. But yes, this is the full room tour video. I did tell you guys in another video that if I ever did another room makeover video that I would show you guys my sister's side of the room, and so today is the day. You guys will be able to see the full room. So yeah, if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Without further ado, 始めましょう. So let's go ahead and start off with my door. So I decided to hang my bags. These are two of my most precious, most favorite bags. I also really chose them because I felt like they worked really well with the color scheme that I was going for, and they match really well with the bed covers I have that you guys are about to see. So let's go ahead and take a look at what bags I'm using here. So first of all, I decided to hang my Korilakuma plushies here because I felt like they worked really well for the color scheme as well. And then here we have Korilakuma as well. This is my twin sister purchased in Japan, and she let me use it for decor. I also that was something I really wanted to do for my room. I really wanted to add some sort of like Sanex characters. Rilakuma and Korilakuma are my favorite Sanex characters, so I really wanted to have that incorporated here. So this is a keychain, so it like can be kind of hooked onto any bag essentially, and I decided to hook it onto my Duffy bag. So first of all, this is the little plushie which can be hanged, and then here is my Duffy bag that I purchased at Tokyo Disney Sea when I was living in Japan. If you guys want to check out that vlog, you guys can go ahead and click on some video up here. I'll leave a link to it here so you guys can go ahead and check it out. But anywho, that's where I got the Duffy bag, and I think it's so cute, and I think it works really well for like kawaii rooms. I've noticed a lot of like, I'll show you guys images of what I'm talking to you guys about, but I found that like Duffy bags or like just a Duffy plushie is quite popular in like a kawaii room. I was trying to go for a kawaii princessy room, and I noticed that the whole Duffy plushie is quite popular in Japan. Like it's a trend where you have your Duffy plushie there. I'll put some images of what I'm talking to you guys about, but that's why I decided that this bag would work really well. And then this is my Cardcaptor Sakura bag that was gifted to me by my parents on my birthday, and it's honestly one of my favorite bags. Here is my little miniature Korilakuma plushie. Well, it's my twin sisters who let me borrow it for my room decor, but it works really well because it's also like white and pink, which is the color scheme I was trying to go for this room. And this is the way this looks. It is honestly so cute. I'm honestly obsessed with it. So let's go ahead and move on to the side here. So this is my side of the room, and so this is my absolute favorite part of the room, the bed sheets. So I decided to squat so you guys can take a better look at here because I was leaning and it was not working out for me here. But anywho, it has these really cute bows, and it has 3 bows here in the front. It is so cute, guys, and it has this really pretty lace and this really cute little ruffle material. It's got these 2 different layers here, and then the bottom it just has that base. So the base is like a pastel pink color, and then the roses are a hint. They have hints of like red or more like a hot pink, and then this is more of like a darker pink, I guess. I don't really know how to explain it, but it's really, really pretty, and it's got these really pretty little like leaves on it as well. So it's just so pretty, guys. The bottom base of the bed came with this skirt. So bottom is this pink color, and then over it has this really nice white sheer material, and then the ends have this really pretty lace on them. It's so pretty, guys. So it comes with this really pretty like lace on it, and you can kind of pull it back like this a little bit, but essentially just kind of attached like this. If you look at the other side of the bed, it's attached essentially. What the pillows look like, they're so cute. It kind of reminds me of a cute little skirt because it has this really nice little ruffle detail here, but it has this really pretty little bow just like the ends of the bed as well, the bed sheets. The cover, it has that nice lace right here and this really nice ruffle detail. Let me go ahead and film it like this so you guys can take a better look at the way it looks like. And here I have my little baby bunny plushie. It's a really big plushie. I think it works really well for the room now because it's all pink. So now it's just this really cute big rabbit. And then up here I have have my little setup here. So I have my pink heart mirror here that I think that you guys have probably already seen in a couple other room makeover videos, but I thought it would work really well for the room because it's a nice pretty shade of pink. These are some really pretty tulips that I had them on the side of my table, but I decided to get rid of them. But I really wanted to decorate my wall here, so I decided to hang like 3 tulips. These are fake tulips that I got from Amazon, and then I added a really cute little ribbon that was part of this cute swan kiss bag. And then here is this really cute swan kiss bag. My sister, when we were like living in Tokyo, got this really cute outfit from Swan Kiss and with this really cute swan kiss bag. And so I thought that it would work really well for the room because the pattern is really similar to the bedding I have here. Like this is the bedding, this is the pattern from my bed. And then let's take a look at the actual bag. It's very similar. So I thought right off the bat it would work really well. But anywho, that is this cute bag. So I thought it would work really well. So now I'm gonna zoom out for you guys, and this is the way it looks like kind of all together. Back for you guys to kind of see the whole setup on this side. I think it looks so cute. This is a really pretty piece of furniture that my twin sister and I have had for quite a while. We've always been interested in this really cute Victorian princessy style. So whenever we get furniture, we typically go for like shabby chic furniture, and so that was part of a shabby chic collection. And so we felt this would work really well as a side table because it works well for both of our styles. So this is my side, of course, and this is just the cute little lamp I showed you guys in my other room makeover video. And my twin sister let me borrow her cute pink Fuji camera. I feel like it works really well for the vibe of the room. It's a really pretty pink shade, and I think it works really nice with, once again, the bed covers. It's very important. I really wanted to make sure that everything matched, so I think this is really cute. It's quite simple, but I think that sometimes simple works really well. Take a look at like this middle part of the room. So this is really cute. It's a My Melody clock. So it's so cute. I forgot the name of the other character, but it's so cute, that little sheep. So let's go ahead and zoom in there so you guys can take a better look at how it looks. But at the top it has this really cute like little rainbow, and then it has a cute little character there. It says welcome to my happy home. It looks like a little house, like a pink house. And then this is the little sheep character. I'm so sorry, I feel so bad for not knowing the name of this character, but I'll input it here. And then it's just like this clock. I don't even know if it tells the right time. I don't think my sister fixed it because this is my twin sister's, but she decided to put it in the middle because it worked well for both sides of the room. So I'm not sure if it's saying the accurate time. I don't think it's saying the accurate time, to be honest, but who knows. And then here is the little My Melody. It's so cute. It says My Melody at the bottom, and I just think it works really well for the room, especially for like my side of the room because it's pink. So if you take a look at this side, I mean, I just think it works really well. So now we're back where the bags are. Now let's go ahead and look at the room this side. So here's my closet, and then this side it's another common space that my sister and I share. So this is our desk space, like our vanity area. So here we have my computer here. Typically this is the area where I will edit videos, study Japanese, maybe do my makeup. So this is kind of like an area that we both share. So here's my computer, and I did add this really cute picture. I'll show it to you guys. I'll input the image right here so you guys can see it because I don't think the camera is like necessarily showing it very well. But yeah, this is my computer. This is what I use to edit my videos. And then here we have our cute little chair here. I actually got this chair from IKEA. It's like a transparent, sort of like modern looking chair. This little side table here, well, this table here was actually part of a vanity set. It came with these really cute mirrors, but when I tried to move it because we wanted to paint the walls, I ended up breaking the mirrors. So instead of just throwing this whole thing away, we decided to kind of keep this, and I think it works really well for the room. It's got this really cute little like details right here. It's definitely very princessy, so it works really well with the room. And then here we have little Rilakuma here sitting down. I really wanted to put it on my bed, but I already had a really big like rabbit plushie, so I decided to just kind of like leave Rilakuma here. My sister was okay with leaving Rilakuma here like on this chair, so typically Rilakuma will just be sitting on this chair. I'm not only a roommate with my sister, but also with Rilakuma. Look how adorable Rilakuma looks. Rilakuma is editing some videos for me right now. But yeah, Rilakuma will typically just like chill right here. So now let's go on to this side, and this is where my full-size mirror is. Hey guys, so this is the outfit of the day. I'll go ahead and show you guys my outfit. So I'm pretty much wearing a very like kawaii and that's what they say fuku inspired outfit. So a very cute Japanese preppy look, but more kawaii. So I'm wearing a white button-up shirt here, and then I'm wearing this really cute blue bow that I got from Amazon. And then I'm also wearing this really cute like pastel pink cardigan. I got this off of Amazon as well. I literally took a whole day just to like find a cute pink cardigan, and when I found this one I knew I had to get it, but it is so cute, one of my favorites. And then I'm wearing this like really cute like dark blue pattern skirt. I felt like worked really well for like this outfit. I really tried to recreate this image from Pinterest, so I feel like I did like an okay job with like recreating the outfit. And then I'm just wearing some white thigh-high socks here, you guys can see, and then these really cute little heels. I like to wear these for my more kawaii princessy looks, and since I've really been interested in this whole cute princessy look, I thought these shoes would work really well. So this is kind of like the full look. But anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at my twin sister's side of the room now. Now, for the moment you guys have all been waiting for, this is my twin sister's side of the room. It looks so cute. Let's go ahead and go on to her side table here. So she has the same exact lamp as I do. Maybe it's a twin thing. We like the same things. So yeah, she got the same lamp as I did. It's really cute and very minimalistic. Works well with her side of the room as well. And then I got this really cute Kiki's Delivery Service puzzle, and it came in this really cute wooden box. My twin sister is really trying to like remodel her room as well, and she's trying to go for like a Studio Ghibli cottagecore / like kawaii aesthetic room. So we thought that this would work really well. She's still planning on like remodeling her room and like making it extra cute, because at first she was going for a kawaii look, now she's going for like a kawaii cottagecore Studio Ghibli look, and she really wants to make it Kiki's Delivery Service inspired, so that's why we decided to leave that there. And then here she has this really cute Kogimyun plushie here. Kogimyun is her favorite Sanrio character. She is obsessed with this character. It's not as widely known, but she found it and she's obsessed with it. Now let's go on to my sister's bed. So it looks like this. She has this really pretty pink gingham bed sheets. So they are these really cute pillows. They have this really nice ruffle detail to them. And then she got this really cute pillow. So it looks like this. It's so cute, guys. Let me go ahead and move little Kogimyun here so you guys can take a better look. But it's a really cute little ruffle heart pillow, so it works really well for the room. And then this is the pattern of the bed. It's just a really nice pretty pink gingham. I would say it's kind of like it's got this really nice reddish like peachy tone like shade of pink in my opinion. And then right here it has this really nice ruffle detail here. It definitely adds a nice little princessy vibe to it. And then she has these really cute, I think they're two skirts, and they have this really nice ruffle detail, that kind of like princessy vibe she was going for as well. And then she has this really cute Kogimyun plushie that she got. I think she got it off of Amazon. It is so cute, guys. It actually speaks. Let me show it to you guys. So I have Kogimyun here. Let's go ahead and hear little Kogimyun speak. It is so cute, guys. Here you guys can see her side of the room and her like wall here. So let me go ahead and move these sheer curtains so you guys can take a better look. So up here we have this really cute towel with Gigi on it. This is part of the Kiki's Delivery Service collection, I think. I'm not really sure when my sister got this, but it's really cute and we thought it worked really well for her room because she's trying to go for a Kiki's Delivery Service inspired like room. And then on the bottom here we have some tulips. These are 3 tulips as well. I decided to do the same thing for her and her side of the room because she really liked the tulips that I had on my wall. So we decided to do the same thing, except we put like a red bow on these tulips. And then she has these really cute images of her favorite designer for her favorite artist. She loves these like designs that she made, and so she just put these on the wall. We got these printed out and then she put that on the wall, so it's really cute. And then these are some cute little bears. Seems like they're baking cookies or tarts, which is definitely my twin sister's vibe because she loves to bake, guys. She makes the cutest desserts. And then this is just a picture of her at the Pompopuni Cafe. I took a picture of that for her when we were living in Japan, so it just definitely looks really cute, guys. I almost forgot to show you guys, she also has this really cute heart-shaped rug. It is pink and it's so cute, guys. Whenever my dogs come into our room, like they love sleeping on our heart rug. I have no idea why, but it's so soft and cozy. Like, look how soft that looks. But yeah, it looks really cute and it works really well for her room. So this is kind of the way her side of the room looks like. It's so cute, guys. And then this is my side of the room. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys kind of like a quick little round through of the room. So this is the door here. And then as you go here to this side, this is my side of the room. And then as you keep going left, so you can see my sister's side of the room. Our little desk here with adorable little Rilakuma. And then my computer there. And then that's our closet. And that that is pretty much it for the room tour. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun doing this room tour for you guys. Let me know if you guys got any inspiration. If you guys also share a room with someone and this video was helpful to you guys, as well as let me know what kind of kawaii aesthetic you guys like. Do you want like a kawaii princessy style like mine? Is that something you guys are interested in? Do you guys like more of like a cottagecore kawaii style? Maybe a Korean aesthetic? Let me know what kind of aesthetic room you guys are interested in, what kind of branch of kawaii you guys like. I'm really curious to see what you guys are interested in, so please leave that in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear you guys' thoughts. Go ahead and follow me at @theofficial_Abby on Instagram, as well as my all my other social media accounts. I'll be leaving a link to them all in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. I'm really working hard to reach 3K subscribers by the end of this year, so if you guys can subscribe, that would mean a lot to me. It will really help my channel and motivate me to make more kawaii content for you guys. Now, if you do happen to subscribe or you've already subscribed, don't forget to press on that little notification bell. It lets you guys know as soon as I posted a video, so you guys can be one of the first people to get notified when I just uploaded something. But anywho, that is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. 見てくれてありがとうございます。バイバイ。